Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, man, I got the Novah trimmer here with me. And yeah, man, I've been hearing people seeing people in the comments saying they wanted to know if you could replace the blades with some new ones. And surprisingly enough, I found that the caliber blades fit on this trimmer. As you can see here, I got it on, and yeah, man, I got no problems with it overall. It's a very nice blade. You know, it gets some sharp edges, very sharp lines. And yeah, it's gonna be a little bit tricky though to put them in, because as you can see here, these two holes, they're a little bit closer from the regular blade, from the blade that comes with this trimmer. So you're gonna wanna have to put this screw here first, put it in, and then this one you're gonna want to put it at like an angle, because the hole is gonna be little to the side here. But once you screw it in and everything, man, it goes into place and it fits right in. But yeah, man, this is a good blade here. And yeah, this trimmer, surprisingly enough, seems to be very popular among, you know, the whole with the budget trimmers, the no-name brands. But yeah, if you have this trimmer here still, you want to upgrade your blade, you could put this one in there, and man, you'll have a beast trimmer for, you know, for the low price. But yeah, man, I want to show you, let's just show you the sound. It's a tad bit louder, but I feel like it's loud because I've dropped this trimmer already too, so I don't know, it may depend. But let me show you the sound. So that's the regular sound, the normal speed. As you can see, this one has two of them. I'll show you the second speed. No, that's the second. Seems to be a little bit louder on the second switch. But yeah, when you're using them on the first, you know, like the first notch, they're not bad, man. You could get some decent sharps, edge ups, all that, man. And you could even kind of bald out with these. But I feel like these blades are really, like, you know, to get some edge ups. But yeah, man, it's a very good blade. As you can see, man, it works. And yeah, shout out to everybody who's using the Novahs. I guess they're cool. But yeah, man, if this helped you out, follow me, subscribe. We'll be back with more, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope I can help you out with this as much as possible. And yeah, man, I'll catch you on the next one.